Hello folks, welcome back to the old homestead for probably it's been a good few weeks now, if not a month, since we last made a video here. So reason for lack of updates is I've been somewhat busy, as I'm sure you can imagine, and also there wasn't a whole lot interesting to show you, but I think we got a couple things to show you today, so let's go ahead and take a look. So first big change for you is the shed. Gone is the old farm gate. We have ourselves a roller shutter and a pedestrian door. I just finished off closing off the bits and pieces around it there with some galvanized steel sheets. And yes, there is a rather large gap still there, but we've some windows which will be going in there. Now, behind me, ta-da! The gang's all here, folks, and you may notice we have ourselves a new parking area outside of the shed. So shed and out here. Managed to get a guy with a digger in who removed all of that mound from here, and we got some stone in here just today, and so it's quite kind of loose at the minute, but all the vehicles are here and the goose is going to be getting loaded up fairly soon now for the return trip. So yeah, it's really neat to have the whole fleet here. We drove them down, drove down the Land Yacht and the Panzer last week. So the truck had came down ages ago, and obviously the goose is our haulage machine for the back and forth. So shed and parking spot done. Down around the house, show you a few little things I've been working on. Got my scrap timber ready to be loaded up. Let's get you in here into the kitchen area, and you will see first of all floors. Yes, I've been tiling. Not my strongest suit, but didn't turn out too badly, if I say so myself. Also been plumbing, and we have a sink. And I won't quite say hot and cold running water, but we do have cold running water. Yay for me. So, plumbed in here for the washing machine and dishwasher. Also been doing some ceiling work. Ceiling starting to go in here. I don't know if I showed you this before, but yeah, ceiling, and I'm more starting on dry lining. And yeah, very easy to say all that, but there's quite a lot of work in it. I was just finishing up today by hoping to take out this window here, because this area that we're in now, there's the extension, the back kitchen as I call it. This window basically lets you look from the kitchen right into the bathroom. So, you know, you could be here because the cooker will be here, and you'll be here cooking the dinner, and then, you know, you get a view into the loo. Not exactly cricket. I think we showed you in here the stone and all this kind of thing. There's not a lot to show you in here. It's hasn't really changed since our last update, but that is where we're at with the house. I've started to run plumbing as well for hot water. Oh, let's go upstairs. Let's show you upstairs. Here is still the same. Got a load of flooring for free, so that's handy, because that'll be handy for the downstairs bedroom. If we go upstairs, obviously got a load of pipe, and you've got to get more of this stuff. Got some 3/4 inch pecs I need to pick up today. But we've started painting. Look at this. Yay. First coat of white undercoat going on here. Also cleaned up the walls. Obviously these will be getting dry lined, so that'll make life a little bit less cold up here. The old fireplace I won't take it out, but I'll have to close up the flue or we'll get drafts through that. Not much going on over here, just got the flooring. This is more free flooring, which will be going down here, and I've started to lay out where the hot press and the hot water tank will be going, and the heatsink radiator for the stove, because we have a stove. Did I tell you we had a stove? I probably didn't tell you we had a stove, darn it. Okay, well, I got a stove, not a cook stove, because that'll be for the kitchen, but a stove for the fireplace. Down here it's a back boiler stove. I think it's 18 kilowatts total. Also got the plinth. Can't really see it, it's buried under all that junk, but the plinth is in here. That is one murderously heavy thing. So I got to sort out the flue liner. I got to get a stainless liner for the flue before I can get that in there. So folks, that is about it for what I've got for you today. Feels like not a lot, but darn it, there is a lot of work there. I'm loving this place. Oh, there is one thing I want to show you, because got lots of comments on this the last time. Let's go into the woodwork shed. I'm too lazy now to flip the camera on the phone, so I'm going to just go, ta-da! 350 watt solar panels. Yes, we are going to have solar power here. Quite a lot of it by my standards. I think we're at the minute have enough panels to do about 3.5 kilowatts. So they'll be going on a ground mount. We'll have some solar. So folks, I will wrap it up there because I got a good bit to do before finishing up here today. So as always, whatever you do, don't forget to dislike, do not share, do not subscribe to this stupid channel. And if you have subscribed, get yourself out of here. It's crap. Other than that, check the links in the description to the usual suspects, Patreon and PayPal, in case you wish to financially support this craziness. But, probably better if you just don't. Because then I'll just get more solar panels and build inverters and, all that kind of thing that's just not cricket. Where's my solar panels? Oh, look, there they are. Yay. Okay. That's it. I'm out of gas right now. Sorry, I'm really tired. So, until next time, happy plumbing.